How does female reproductive anatomy work? Have you ever wondered how the female body is designed for reproduction? The female reproductive anatomy is a fascinating system that plays a vital role in protection, defense, and continuation of life. Let's break it down step by step. Starting with the external parts, we have the labia majora and labia minora. The labia majora are the larger folds of skin that protect the internal organs. They are fleshy and often covered with hair after puberty. The labia minora are smaller and surround the openings of the vagina and urethra. Just near the vaginal opening, you will find Bartholin's glands. These glands secrete mucus to keep the area lubricated, which is important for comfort and function. Moving inside, the vagina is a muscular canal that connects the external body to the uterus. It serves multiple purposes, including being the passageway for menstrual flow, sexual intercourse, and childbirth. At the end of the vagina is the cervix, which is the narrow lower part of the uterus. The cervix acts as a gateway between the vagina and the uterus, playing a key role during childbirth. Now let's talk about the uterus itself. This pear-shaped muscular organ is where a fertilized egg can implant and develop into a fetus. Each month, the inner lining of the uterus, known as the endometrium, thickens in preparation for a possible pregnancy. If fertilization does not happen, this lining sheds during menstruation. The uterus has 3 layers. The outer layer, called the perimetrium, the thick muscular layer known as the myometrium, which is responsible for contractions during labor, and the inner layer, the endometrium. Next, we have the ovaries, which are the female gonads. They are responsible for producing ova, or egg cells, as well as hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Typically, one ovum matures and is released each month during a process called ovulation. The released egg then travels through the fallopian tubes, which connect the ovaries to the uterus. Fertilization by sperm usually takes place within these tubes. Together, these organs form a system that protects the developing fetus, enables fertilization, supports pregnancy, and facilitates childbirth. The external structures serve to protect the internal organs from infection while allowing sperm to enter. The ovaries provide the eggs and hormones that regulate the menstrual cycle. The fallopian tubes transport the eggs and serve as the site of fertilization. The uterus nurtures the embryo and fetus until birth, and the vagina acts as the birth canal. This entire system works together to ensure successful reproduction and the continuation of the species. Each part has its own role, contributing to the overall function of the female reproductive anatomy. Understanding how these components work together gives us a clearer picture of the remarkable design of the human body.